Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. So today this is the look I will be creating for you guys. I hope you really love this look because I do. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching, and if at the end of this video you like this video, you like this look, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you have any video requests, and I'm gonna see you guys as we go. Okay guys, today we're going to be starting off with the eyes. You see I already did this other eye off camera, so we're going to be focusing on this eye. I already moisturized my face, that is why you see I'm glowing. Yeah, so first of all, I have primed my lids as usual with my Elegant Pro concealer. So now I'm going to go into this deep purple shade and I'm going to be tapping it on my lid and also on my crease too. So now we have the pigmentation we want. I'm going to be using this red shade and I'm going to use that to blend the edges of the purple shade. Next up, I'm going to go into this orange shade and I'm going to be using that to blend out the edges of the red shade. So I think I'm satisfied with this blend. Now the thing about this type of look is it is all about blending. So you just got to take your time and blend it, and just keep on blending until you get to where you want to be. And also, if you're following this look and you're having a hard time blending the purples, that is how purples are always. So don't feel bad if you are trying to blend it and it's not getting to where you want. Just keep on blending, swirling the brush, keep on blending, and you're gonna get the pigmentation you want. Of my crease, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the purple at the edge, put the red at the middle, and put the orange at the middle also. Afterwards, I'm going to go into this shade and put it at the line here for you guys to see. Now the red. So this is the eyes, guys. What you guys think about it? So I'm going to go on and do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so I put my foundation, put my concealer, put my powder. Now I'm going to be using my face definer from Zara. I'm going to be using that to sculpt out my face. If you guys want a detailed foundation routine, you can check that out. I have already uploaded something like that on my channel, so you can always check that out, or you can also check my previous video. And the one I uploaded just before this one is really detailed and I spilled a lot of tips and tricks. I'm applying my blush now. This is just a random pink blush to the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna go into this shimmery shade again and I'm gonna apply that on my inner corners. I'm applying my highlighter. The glow. So guys, I am not happy right now because my eyelash glue just got finished and I can't fix my lashes. I tried to go out to find a new eyelash glue to buy, but I couldn't find anything, guys, and I'm so sad because this look would have been so bomb with lashes. I already knew what I wanted, but I guess we're not supposed to use lashes today because no eyelash glue, no lashes. So guys, I'm so sad right now because this was not what I wanted, but the look is still okay. But with lashes it would have gone from 100 to 150, but it is what it is. I guess we're not using lashes today, so let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Oh my god, it is busted. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna be using it and I'm gonna apply it at the middle of my lips. I'm just gonna blur it. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also watch my other videos I have created if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of me. And I'm really sorry guys about the no lashes. I'm not even happy about it, but it is what it is. We just have to go with the flow. I wish that I had lashes on. It would have put the whole look together and really just make it look boom, you know, boom. But I guess we're not supposed to use lashes today. But on my next video, I promise you guys, I'm gonna add lashes. I'm not really happy about this, but it still looks good. It still looks good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see more of me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram at Mathilda __ beauty 3 underscores, Twitter _Duku, Snapchat _Duku. I really hope that airplane sound is not making noise in here, because it will not be good at all. But yeah, so that is it guys. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.